and in the middle of the services or for yourself, you'll be so frustrated. Do not worry about this premium eye shampoo foil is been the best, one of the best one yet for me to transfer every single shampoo foil that I have. So which is awesome because it's give take away from my headaches that I won't have to worry about. It's not going to stay on. So it's not only key in 30 seconds, but it transfers so well to the point that is you don't even have to really like doing a lot of hard work and pressures on it. So I am like is one layer of the premium eye transfer foil. Make sure you cover it all of the surface if you are decide to transfer everything. But if you want to do just a tip, then you just apply just a tip. So I'm go ahead and keep for 30 seconds because I apply all inside the nails. And then we're gonna do some. This one is done. Beautiful. You can add so many crystal on if you want to. Like say if you decide you want some of cutie, like it doesn't matter whatever you want. I'm thinking of adding something on like green. You know, if you want like really like a vibrance. If you're like, oh, I don't like it, then don't do it. You know, I'm just a sample of it. So now 30 seconds is done, and then we're gonna transfer this cutie like this strawberry right here. And I'm gonna get this one. Like, it looks good. Hey, can you see? Everybody, can you see?
Yep.
All right, so I'm getting. But you can get any part. It doesn't have to be this angle. I'm just happen that I want like a couple strawberry. So cool, huh?
It's already out. Just pull it out.
Yep. Make sure there's no bubble when you are going to transfer. Then look at that.
So pretty. Now you just need the top coat and you'll be done.
Yeah. If you want anything else, no crystal. Oh, I really want a crystal, but the last one we're gonna do crystal then. It's like you try like, oh, there's no crystal. You can do matte or you do shiny. Which one is we're gonna do this one? Matte?
You know what? Strawberry. You know what? Shiny.
Why? Oh, shiny looks good too. Okay, shiny. It's funny that I said, which one do you want? And he said, oh, let's do shiny. I said, why? We asked him, he get to choose, but doesn't mean we're going to say what he's doing. It's what he wants. So, okay, so I apply whole entire nails with the Acrylic Gel Snow White Top Coat, which is shiny. So if you don't want a shiny effect, you can do like a matte look. All right, so here, I'm like, I don't know why my hand is always going different direction. And then going to the last one.